Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to maximize your FPS in Alchemy Factory. Let's begin by opening the options menu. From there, make sure you're in the gameplay tab. Here you can change the save settings. I would change it to when sleeping or disable autosave to limit the amount of saves being made and therefore limit the lag during saving. If you wish to monitor your FPS in-game, you can always enable this option right here. I'll leave it disabled. Of course, you can set an FPS limit here. It's by default set to unlimited. I recommend setting a set limit. If you have a lower end PC, you can even set it to 30 or 60 FPS. If it's higher end, you can set it to 90 or 120 without a problem. Then let's go to the graphics tab. Here, let's be honest, Windows settings doesn't matter. Input lag isn't a problem in a factory building game. Disable the VSync, but if you experience any screen tearing during the game, enable it. It is worth it. In anti-aliasing method, you can set it to basically anything. The impact is negligible. I would set it to TSR personally, but disable it if you want to. In resolution quality, to maximize performance, set it to super performance. As you can see, the edges are really blocky right now, right here. But if it's if you prefer the maximization at the cost of the looks of the game, that's how to do it. Then, in dynamic global illumination, you can disable it. Reflection method, disable it also. In overall settings, you can set it to low or medium, honestly. Both will work to maximize your FPS. Of course, low is better in that regard, but as you can see, the shadows are now non-existent. It set all those settings to low. Honestly, I would maybe set the shadows quality to medium, so you don't have a terrible gaming experience during that. Well, you can also disable the volumetric fog. And, well, that's all. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.